Hi guys, it's Tinola Day.
My name is Johannes.
And I am John.
We are
Johannes
and John. This is actually John's favorite dishes. Filipino dish. Tutulungan ko lang si John, guys. I will help John prep this one. First, ito lang muna. Ginger. And then, maybe I will do this later.
Yeah, that's after. That goes in after the chicken's already cooked.
So, meron tayo dito. Actually, we got this from Costco. Dapat magtitinola kami ni John and then we didn't have papaya. Actually, we have papaya but it's ripe.
Yeah, it doesn't work the same at all.
Oo. Ayaw namin ang matamis. There was actually a comment saying, we tried it before, no?
Yes, we tried it before.
And it's really different. Ayaw ni Jan. Kasi nakatikim na kasi si Jan ng tinola sa probinsya na hilaw ang papaya, which is masarap siya pag hilaw. And then, merong nag-comment na nakagamit daw sila ng hinog na papaya and nagustuhan nila. It's really depend on your preference. Some people, they like it sweet. Some people, they don't like it sweet. So, just like John. So, eto, meron tayong chicken dito. Prep lang ni John yung mga ingredients. And then, nandito na yung kaldero na gagamitin natin. Actually, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast ni John eh. Meron na rin tayo ditong leftover na, I think this is chicken soup or broth, chicken broth.
Yes.
Ito yung mga tira-tira sa, di ba nagluluto si John ng fried chicken? And usually, binoboil niya muna yung wings, chicken wings, bago niya i-deep fry. So, this is the broth. And also, we have the backup here, the chicken broth, in case kukulamin siya, guys. So, kuha na lang muna ako ng tanglad, darling. Kukuha lang muna ako ng tanglad.
Yes, tanglad.
This is one of the ingredients, guys. I think I have to cut it, no? Kasi when I pull it,
Oh, you'll take the whole thing?
the whole thing, the root. Okay. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa Florida, guys. Always naman, Florida kasi is a sunny state eh. Sunny state, Florida. Okay. Kuha lang tayo ng tanglad dito. We have lemongrass. Okay, dokes. Hello, midnight. Come here. Okay. First province. The lemongrass is very happy. Yan. I think this is enough already. Yan. Bakit ko lang to, guys.
Slice the onion now.
Grabe. This is by far the most healthiest lemongrass we have. Maybe because you transfer it.
Oh, I had it in a pot for years.
Yeah.
Never wanted to grow. It always looked sick. Even when I watered it every day. Now it's in the ground, it's booming.
Super. Green onion. It's ready to plant na.
Medyo kakaiba lang itong aming green onion, guys, as compared sa ibang mga normal green onion na nakikita natin na binibenta sa mga supermarket. Ito siya medyo malaki, makapal.
Looks like a lot of onion, but it's a big chicken. A lot of the recipes I look at, it's for 2 servings. I could use a metal pan.
Okay. Big?
Aluminum.
Here.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, we have sili we can put later. Ang nagustuhan ko naman kay John, guys, no, is hindi siya mapili. He's not very picky when it comes to Filipino food. I mean, not all the Filipino food he likes, no, but most of them he likes. For example, let's name it: pancit, lumpia, adobo. What else? Pancit, lumpia, adobo. Even yung mga dinuguan, which is very, ano yan guys, but it depends on how you cook it. Kasi minsan, ayaw ni Jan ng kung iba-iba yung nagluluto. Gusto ni Jan yung si Papa yung nagluluto, ng dinuguan. Kasi minsan may nabili siya guys na naglalako sa amin ng dinuguan. Hindi niya nagustuhan. So, kailangan alam mo talaga kung sino ang nagluto.
Now the neighbors will smell our creation.
We can actually share this. We can bring some to Kate later. Si Jan kasi ayaw niya ng native na chicken, guys. For some reason, Jan don't like the native chicken.
It's not meaty. It's bony.
I mean, he likes it, but it's not his favorite. He would prefer broiler.
Yes, the big white chicken.
Oo. Tignan nyo guys, ang chicken, there's even hair.
A
I don't
couple
know if you can
feathers.
notice, but yeah, there is.
I don't know why.
Bakit hindi nila nililinisan ng tarong?
I think it's good fiber. No?
Hindi talaga nila nililinisan ng tarong, guys. Itong chicken. Malalaki pa naman maghiwa si Jan ng manok, guys. Parang yung sa mga mang-inasal na manok ba, dagko siya maghiwa. Alam mo, may mga tao talaga na talented sa paghiwa, no? Like, their masterpiece. How to cut the chicken. There's actually a technique on how to cut. You have to do the bones or something. Now that I say it, John is struggling to cut. O, di ba? Ang lalaki ng hiwa niya, guys.
I probably did it wrong, but I'll make it through. I always do.
Because there's a camera. It's okay. You're not the butcher. Slaughter. Manslaughter. Wow, pinakuan dyan, oh, pwede ka na mag-apply ng butcher dear. You can be a butcher in Malang. Yeah. Pag umuwi tayo ng probinsya, pag sideline ka doon, mag-butcher ka. Pwede nating dalhan si Cora yan. We can give some to our kababayan.
I think she just made this though.
Okay. Maybe you can put the I don't know. When do you put the tanglad?
When it turns into soup,
Okay.
which is soon. Do we want to put all this in? Or do we want to save that?
What do we do with that?
Whatever. It's just a chicken breast. The breast isn't that good
Right.
because it dries out. Like.
Okay.
So this
We
would be a
can
good.
save. Yeah, that's a good size. Good size. Good amount. So we will just keep it. This is small.
Maybe. before I do that.
So, i-ano ko lang ito guys. I-ref lang natin ito. I'm gonna clean first. This one. Kasi naano siya guys eh. Naanuhan siya ng manok. So,
I'll melt in a chicken cube that I didn't use last time. How salty is the broth? Do you remember?
it is salty, but we like salt.
2 chicken cubes. Homemade chicken stock, nice and jello-y. Tanglad.
Hi guys, eto na nga binabalatan ko na itong ating sayote. And pansin ko lang guys ha, habang binabalatan ko itong sayote, medyo madulas siya guys no. And then after ko palang balatan ito guys, may naramdaman ako sa aking kamay na parang 'di ba danlog ito guys. Parang nangati yung kamay ko. And then pagkatapos parang nung nag-dry na siya sa kamay ko guys, yung duga, yung ano ba sa Tagalog ang duga, katas no ng sayote, para siyang ano guys, nangati yung kamay ko, nag-dry yung kamay ko at parang nag-tighten ang skin ko. Ganyan din ba kayo guys? Kasi hindi kasi kami masyadong nagsasayote kapag nagluluto kami ng tinola, usually kasi papaya, pero parang ganoon din yung feels sa papaya din, iba din yung duga niya, parang nangangati yung kamay. Oo, dapat pala naka-gloves ako dito guys. Ganyan din ba kayo?
Natakot ako guys kasi baka hindi ko na-on itong ating camera, kasi minsan kasi nagvi-video na ako, nagsushoot na ako, tapos hindi pala na-on yung aking camera. Sobrang init talaga ngayon. Ayan, dito tayo sa likod ng bahay namin. Ayan, nandito kasi yung malunggay namin eh. Hindi na namin naayos itong likod ng bahay namin. Ito yung next project. Ayun oh. Ay, wait lang. Ito yung next project natin guys. Pagandahin natin yung bahay. Ayan. Kasi dito talaga sa bandang likod, parang hindi na masyadong naaayos namin guys. Kuha lang ako ng sungkit. Pero meron kami ditong papaya. Banana. Ito oh, banana. Dalawa. Soon pag medyo malaki-laki na yung dahon niya, pwede tayong kuha ng banana at magmukbang tayo. Sana walang halas dito guys. Minsan kasi may halas dito eh. Ayan, binali ko na siya lahat guys. Kasi tinitrim din namin ito guys eh. Ayan. Parang ang dami kong kinuha guys. Alam nyo, may mga humihingi din sa akin ng malunggay from different states. Pinapadalhan ko sila.
Kasi maganda itong malunggay sa katawan natin. Ayan, oh. Ay. Pag ganitong mainit yung panahon, guys, medyo nalalaya yung mga dahon. Ayan, pero carry pa rin naman. Ayan oh, parang hindi siya maganda tingnan. Parang hindi siya, ayan oh, hindi siya fresh. But anyway, it's okay. Konti na lang yung kunin. Ayan. So, hindi talaga maganda yung dahon niya. Pero okay lang. Malunggay is malunggay. Pag may time tayo, linisin natin ito dito. Sa side na ito. Yung area na ito. Ang dami na namang mga nahulog na mangga, guys. Oh. Yung kapitbahay namin nandito eh. Okidoki. Okidoki, smoky.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oo nga. I don't know. Actually, I don't need to wash it.
Yeah, don't worry about washing it.
Oo.
It's gonna make it hard to work with.
Yes, exactly.
Just look out for the bird poop. But we're gonna cook it out anyway.
Not that. The spider web.
Spiders, yeah.
Yeah, spiders. Mostly spiders talaga ang problema nito. Anyway. So, ito na. Hagpat muna tayo, guys. So, what do you miss the most, dear? Like John Ray's cooking or Papa's cooking?
Everybody cooks good there.
Except John, no? John not so much.
John never cooks.
Si Ivy,
What's the...
Ivy and Junri, yon. Ivy, Junri, and Papa. Ito na nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, there is already.
What's John remake the crispy chicken?
The crispy chicken. That's not crispy chicken skin, no? Ay! Yeah, without anything, right?
Right.
Oo, pinakupsan. We call it pinakupsan. The pork also, darling.
The pork too?
The
Yeah.
grilled pork.
I think
Why is the
that's-
pork in the Philippines different from here, darling, no? It's got different flavor. Generally, we'll just put suka, remember?
Yeah, because
Grill, and then suka, and then that's it. And then, I think you put pipino, or what do you call that? Cucumber.
the feed must be different for the pigs there.
Iba talaga ang lasa, guys. Sa totoo lang, iba ang lasa ng karne ng baboy. Sa Pilipinas, hindi ko na anuhin yung iba. Kisa sa karne dito. For some reason, ha? Ako lang ba ang nakapansin or kayo din? So, wait lang natin na malata itong ating chicken. Kasi, nalagyan na ng ricados. You can put the, what do you call that? Fish sauce. Kasi before, I'm really, what do you call that? Trying not to have fish sauce. But, tinola is not perfect without fish
And
sauce.
it's not the same without fish sauce.
But I think you can put on the side. I don't know.
I put it in. You eat fish sauce at the Thai restaurant.
Oo. Sa nila, dear, no? Sa
So far, so good.
Pad Thai.
Very strong fish sauce.
Kasi nakakatawa. Kasi 'di ba iniiwasan ko yung fish sauce kasi bawal nga siya sa gout ang fish sauce. Ngayon, I always, when we go to, not always, but most of the time, when we go to a Thai restaurant, I ordered pad Thai. And then, I didn't realize na one of the ingredients pala is fish sauce. So sabi ni Jan, you've been what do you call that? Trying to not to eat. May gagamba na ka guys. Ayan na dear.
Okay, I'll let him outside.
Ayan na. Let outside. Ganyan talaga guys. Pag favorite talaga ito ng gagamba. This is their sanctuary.
feeling ko nakakain na tayo ng gagamba nung mga bata pa tayo kasi syempre yung mga nanay natin hindi man nila hinuhugasan din yung mga malunggay.
Why do the spiders like the moon guy?
Yes, that's their habitat. That's their sanctuary. Ayan, so while waiting for this one, guys, mag-i-edit lang ako para I have a head start. Kasi matagal pa yan I think 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So, mag-ano muna ako, mag-edit lang ako, saglit, habang hinihintay natin na maluto yung ating food. Meron pa tayong bahaw dito, so we're still good. Linis lang natin ng konti. And we're good.
All right. That's my timer. So for me, I don't want to cook the chicken any more than this, but I need to cook the sayote, whatever. Chai, I think it's sayote. I think I've only used this vegetable one time before, and that wasn't recent. And there's that. Give it a stir. Bring it back up to temperature. Reduce. Bring it back up to temperature, then I'll reduce the heat and let it cook for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. All right, I'll set the timer. And see you in 15 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Let's see if it's tender.
Looks tender.
That'll be better. A little firm.
Still firm.
All right, that's fine.
Wow, it's really good.
You want sili in there?
Yeah, why not?
How many? Throw them in.
Yeah, maybe 3.
That's all? It's a big pot. They're not hot.
They're not hot, no? Ito po yung sili sa garden namin, guys. Maybe 5
Okay.
or 6. Because it doesn't matter because we don't crush it. 2, 4, 6. We will pay for it later. Alright, we will wait for it to boil and then we put the moringa. And I think we have to reheat the rice now. can read like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe 4 minutes. 1 minute only. So, waiting na lang kami, guys. I'm sure this is gonna be lala. You can. Not a lot. Waiting game.
Mm-hmm.
While waiting for this one, guys, if you want to request any recipe, Filipino, might be Filipino, or whatever, na pwede namin lutuin ni John para sa susunod na videos natin, pwede naman kayo mag-request, guys. No? Basta kaya lang namin lutuin. Namin, makikiluto din si Johannes. Akala mo naman, kakain lang naman ako. Okay lang na hindi masyadong mainit yung kanin natin, guys, kasi yung sabaw naman is mainit. Hindi talaga pwede na walang rice ang guys, ang tinola.
Sabaw.
You want more
That's
than that?
More than enough right there.
Oh? Hala ka, tignan ninyo. Yan lang yung gusto ni John. Wow. I'm so impressed.
You're gonna load up.
Aha. Load up talaga, oh. Tignan yung parang 1/4 nga lang yan. It's sa akin parang 1/2 or 1/3. Okay, doks. Is it boiling na? Not yet.
They gave it 5 more minutes, so we're catching up now. 1 minute to go.
Ito yung guys, yung naghihintay ka na, kain ka na. Pero buti na lang, may kanin na. Imbes na may ulam na, tapos wala pang kanin, yun yung hindi maganda. Gagawa tayo ng fish sauce, guys. Let's see. Pero bawal pa naman ito sa akin, guys. Pero sige na lang. A little bit lang. Tapos, usaan natin yan ng sili, guys, na 2. Naubos na yung sili sa aming garden. Inubos na namin.
Are you gonna crush it in?
Aha. Because it's not really hot. Bango, no? Smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because of the fish.
Run, spiders, run!
Run! Wow. It's gonna be amazing. Maybe 1 minute. Actually, you don't have to. It's already ready.
It's ready.
Okay, you do this. You first. Yours first. Ako asiwan dyan. Gusto niya dyan na maraming sabaw. Isa lang yung chicken dyan.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Gusto ko yung maraming malunggay. Napasok pagid ko. Gusto ko ng maraming sayote. Sayote. And gusto ko sa chicken ko is, gusto ko yung mabukog. Mabukog means mabuto. Ano ba yung mabuto dito? Ribs. I want ribs.
Use the tongs.
Okay.
It's easier to find what you're looking for.
Maybe this one na lang. Ito lang yung nakita ko eh. Yun! Oh! Wow! You want another fork? Yeah.
I don't think I need Thank you.
Kain tayo. Ayan. Mag-coke ako. Ayaw mo mag-coke, dear?
I gave you water instead. Did you put both the Cokes away?
Yeah. You want one?
Sure, why not?
Okay, what's the verdict?
Yummy.
Ay, can't wait. I-try mo ito, dear. Try that one.
And the chicken's tender.
Na, tuslo siya sa ano. Ituslo nimo, i-dip nimo.
I don't think I'll like this guy.
No. Hindi gusto ni Jan. Because it's just strong, no?
Tastes like the garbage can smells.
Kasi fish sauce nga. Masarap siya pag isagol mo lang siya sa sabaw. Oo nga.
Just too concentrated. And the green papaya is better than the sayote. Maybe after it sits a few hours, it's better. But
Let's try it. Iba ang sayote. Overall, yummy. And we put 6 chili, right? It's got a little spice, but it's not very spicy.
I could add a few crushed red peppers.
Would you order it again? But with papaya, no?
Next time we make it, we'll use our own
We
papaya.
will use our own papaya kasi we have a lot of papaya tree. Masarap talaga siya. It really needs rice.
Yes.
Not konjac rice, ha? Rice.
The
Basmati.
life rice.
Grabe talaga. Certified Pinoy.
Guilty by association.
Maganda sana i-share ito kay Kate dear, no? Is it appropriate? Is it necessary? I saw her earlier.
She's there. No, I would share something else. Not this.
Okay.
This could be too exotic for her.
Right. Plano kasi namin na imbitahin siya dito sa bahay. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung anong lulutuin. You want second round?
You're gonna have seconds already?
You have second round?
No, dear.
Ayaw na niya.
Already ate twice. No dinner tonight.
What time did you eat then?
Mm-hmm. 10:30.
And that's it for our vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching our tinola vlog for today. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Malaking tulong po ito, guys, sa aming channel. At kung may gusto po kayo na i-request na ipaluto kay Jan ha, hindi sa akin. Ano na lang, guys, paki-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye!